The problem that iPhone apps won't open could be caused by many reasons. The compatibility between apps and the software version, low memory, app crashing, iOS glitches are all factors worth noticing. No worry, there are 9 ways to fix iPhone apps problem for you. Method 1. Close and reopen the problematic apps. If your device is iPhone X and later, you could use the home screen to exit the problematic app. If it's iPhone SE, iPhone 8 and earlier, double-click the home button and exit. Method 2. Restart the device. Restarting the iPhone might keep your iPhone running smoothly. Press the power button could restart your iPhone, or you can go to Settings and click on General, then tap Shutdown to complete the process. After a while, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Method 3. Check for necessary updates. You could go to the App Store and check whether the app comes with the latest version, and update the app if not. Then you can check whether your iOS software has a pending update. Just open Settings on your screen, and tap the General, followed by Software Update. Method 4. Delete and re-download the app. To delete the apps and reinstall them, you need long press the app that you want to delete, then tap the Remove app or the Remove icon. And you can get the app back from the Apple Store. Method 5. Clear up memory space. Sometimes the issue occurs due to limited memory space. You could open Settings on your screen and tap General. Then click on iPhone Storage and you can have a direct observation of each app space. Select apps that you don't need or use and delete, or offload them. Method 6. Try an iOS system repair tool. Joyoshare Altfix could be applied to rescue any iOS issues perfectly without losing data. It could fix more than 150 system issues, striving to offer better and more comprehensive service. What's more, the whole repair process is basically completed automatically with few clicks, which is friendly to users. Step 1. You need to download the software on your computer. Open it, you'll see the iOS system repair, click on it and continue to click on the Start button. Step 2. There are 2 modes here. The previous one is able to fix common iOS system issues without losing data, while the deep repair mode is suitable for more complex issue. You need to choose the standard repair mode. Step 3. After confirming the information carefully, click the download button to download firmware package. The downloading process would take some time and please wait patiently. Step 4. Click on Repair button. Joyoshare Altfix would begin to repair the issue automatically. After that, you could check whether your apps could be opened. Method 7. Reset all settings. Resetting all settings on iPhone is tested to be helpful. Go to Settings on iPhone, and tap General. Then choose Transfer or Reset iPhone. Last, tap Reset all settings. Method 8. Restore iPhone with iTunes. You should launch iTunes on your computer, and plug your iPhone to the computer. Then open iTunes and click on the iPhone icon. Find Summary option, and choose Restore iPhone. Don't forget to back up your data in advance. Method 9. Contact app developer. You can directly contact the developer of the app by going to the App Store, and finding the problematic app. There, you'll get the contact information of the app developer. Thanks for your watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you next time.